Welcome back to DP Tutorials. In this video, let us learn about the Sparkline charts. Purpose: unlike other charts, Sparkline charts are placed within the cell and are used to provide a quick context to data without taking too much space. This tool is perfect for comparing trends across rows or columns in your dataset. Let's get started. In this example, we have the month-wise data of productivities for each employee, and let's draw some sparklines in column O and P. Basically, we have three types of sparklines. They are line, column and win-loss. Go to cell O8 and go to Insert tab, and from the Sparklines group, click on Line. Select the data range as C8 to N8. Let the location remain as O8 and click OK. You can see the sparkline like this, representing the productivities trend for employee 1. To create sparklines for the other employees, you don't need to repeat the process. Simply drag the fill handle of the sparkline cell O8 down to copy it to the other rows O9 to O13. Each sparkline will automatically adjust to show this trend for its respective employee. Similarly, in the column P, let us create the sparkline of column type. Go to cell P8 and go to Insert tab, and from the Sparklines group, click on Column. Select the data range as C8 to N8. Let the location remain as P8 and click OK. Drag the same to the bottom cell to create the same graph for other employees. Now let us see the third type Spark win-loss chart, which is used to visualize a win and loss scenario. Here in these cells from R8 to W8, we have profits and losses. Select X8, go to Insert tab, and from the Sparklines group, click on win-loss. Select the data range as R8 to W8. Click OK. Here, profits, that is positive values, will be shown in blue, and losses, that is negative values, will be shown in red by default. So this is how the Spark win-loss chart look like. Excel allows you to customize sparklines to make them more informative. Select the sparkline cells and go to the Sparkline tab, and under type group, you can switch between line, column or win and loss types based on your preference. To highlight specific data points, select in show section such as high, low, first or last points. This adds dots to your line, sparkline, making trends easier to spot. You can change the sparkline color and marker colors to make the data visually appealing. This is how it will look like, which would help for easy comparison. You can use this sparkline chart in the dashboards for better visualization. See here, we have created a drop down to select the employee name, so that the sparkline in this merge cell updates based on our selection. Got it? You can see the final output like this, and here are some of the samples for your reference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks friends, thanks for watching.